I'm going to make a request from a subscriber that's in Egypt. He wanted me to make this. I've been wanting to make something like this for quite some time. And basically this is chicken and cheesy noodles. And it's going to be good. So I'm going to use some milk and 8 ounces of noodles, some butter, flour, some salt, some Gruyère cheese, and some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and a couple chicken breasts that I have defrosting. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to poach the chicken. So I'm going to add a little bit of white wine in there and the rest water. If you don't have wine, that's okay, but the wine is quite nice with poached chicken. I'm going to turn the heat on. I want to bring this up slowly. I don't want to put the chicken in boiling water. I want everything to come up to temperature together. So I'll turn the heat on. I'm going to put a lid on top. Okay, it's taken 18 minutes. And I measured the temperature. It's 165. We're going to set this aside to cool down. And I have water here where I'm going to boil the noodles. My water is coming to a boil. You could add some salt to this, but I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chicken flavored bouillon for some salt instead. And I'm going to cook my noodles al dente. Let's make the bechamel. I have 4 tablespoons of butter. And when I drained my noodles, I did put a little bit of butter on them to so they wouldn't stick together. And here I added some salt. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to cook this up. Okay, we're going to make the bechamel. And you really want to taste this when it's done for salt. Because you don't want everybody at the table using the salt shaker. You want this to be right. So I have 4 cups of milk here I'm pouring in sloppily. And we're going to thicken up this milk, which is a bechamel. Well, the bechamel is thickened up. You don't want to have the heat on high or anything. You want to warm this up slowly. And I did use warm milk. I warmed the milk before I added it. Let's taste. I'm going to taste for salt. I'm going to add enough salt until it tastes, because the sauce can be quite bland. My baking dish is 8 inches by 12 inches. We're going to add half the noodles. And I'm also making this for my father. As he's grown older, he doesn't like a lot of seasoning. He doesn't like pepper. There's a lot of things he doesn't like anymore. But everything in this, he still likes. And half the chicken. Spread that out. Half the Gruyère. The Gruyère really kicks this up to makes it kind of special, if you ask me. Then we will take our bechamel and cover this with the bechamel that you've tasted, that has enough salt in it. Bechamel is kind of like really like a white gravy. Okay. The rest of the noodles. I did take the noodles and I buttered them once I drained them so they wouldn't stick together. And the rest of the chicken. The other half of the Gruyère. It's going to be so good. I just know it. Then the rest of the bechamel. Next, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Thought about this when I was making everything. I thought, that sounds kind of good. Put some breadcrumbs on there. Little pieces of butter here and there. And then our parmesan cheese. I don't think this is quite a cup. I think it's about 3/4 a cup of parmesan. We'll get all that on there and spread it out. Have your oven on 350 degrees. And into your oven. Here it is, out of the oven. It baked for 35 minutes. Let's just let it cool off a little bit. Let's get a piece of this and see what we think. It smells wonderful. Could put a little bit of parsley there for decoration. This is really good. You'll want seconds on this. You don't want to eat one serving, you want two. It's really nice. Thank you so much for watching.